Hi YouTube viewers, today our next project is replacing the wiper blades. I bought this from Costco, Goodyear. It's a hybrid technology, and this is for Toyota Camry 2010. For driver, you need 24. For passenger wiper, you need 20. Alright, the first step is we are going to remove the old wiper. So we need to push it down right there. Check it out. Alright, this is the passenger wiper. You just need to pull it down, extend it, and pull it down. Alright, I open up the package and we got the manual here. Okay, there are 3 accessories included in this package. You don't need them. Take them away. Throw it away. You don't need them. So what we need is, on your manual, if you want to follow the instructions, we're gonna follow step A, because we have right here. We have the hook arm wiper, which is a hook arm. So the first step, if you're lazy reading, is we're gonna remove this adapter right here. On your adapter, there is the round end, and then on the other end is a square end. So it's like opening a can of Coke. To remove this, just apply the same pressure as if you are opening a can of Coke. You're not gonna break it. Voila. Okay, next step, the adapter that we removed from this wiper, we're gonna put it on the hook arm. The rounded end pointing upward, you're gonna slide it. All right, focus here. How are we gonna slide it up? So we're gonna pull it up. Voila. All right, next step, we're gonna attach the new wiper blade to the hook arm. All right, you see these holes right here? It should be aligned with the gap over there. So put it in, and you will hear click. I heard that. Voila! Look at that, moving arm. All right, just to recap before we go to the next wiper blade, we did step A up to A5. A1, we took it out. We took out the adapter from the new wiper blade right here. That's A1 and A2. A3, we did push the adapter to the hook arm of your car. And then 4th, we align the wiper blade to the hook arm and then push it in and click. All right, the second one, let's do it again. We're gonna open a can of Coke. Remember, the round end is at the bottom. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna, with the round end pointing up, okay, with the gap pointing outward, we're gonna slide in this adapter to the hook arm. Voila. Okay, you see, now the last step, we're gonna install the new wiper blade. Most important, let's focus on this. Make sure this is pointing up. Okay, you see those 2 arrows pointing down and up right there? Make sure this is pointing up. Okay, not like this, like that. And then we're gonna align. You see this nudge right here? We're gonna align it with the gap part of the adapter. So we're gonna push it in. Did you hear that click? Yes. All right, that means we're done. This is a 2-minute job, easy install. It's a hook arm. I installed this in Honda Odyssey, and this is Toyota, so it's pretty standard. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.